this farmer. Okay, he's got about 200 hens, but he hasn't got a rooster. And obviously he wants some chickens, some chicks. So he goes down the road to the nearest farmer and asks if he's got a rooster which he can sell him. And by luck, the other farmer says, "Actually, yes, I do. Got this fantastic rooster called Randy. He'll service every chicken you've got, no problem at all." He says, "Oh," he says, "that sounds great." He says, "How much?" He says, "Well, he's expensive." He says, "He's £1,000. But the farmer does some maths in his head. He works out the amount of chickens he could get from it. And he thinks, okay, it's a good investment. It's expensive, but it's an investment. I'll do it. So he buys Randy, and he takes the rooster home. So he puts him down in the yard, and he gives Randy a pep talk. He says, "Randy, I want you to pace yourself now. You've got a lot of chickens to service here, and you cost me a lot of money. So I need you to do a good job. So take your time, have some fun." And the farmer sort of ended it with a bit of a laugh, thinking, it's quite funny, really. Anyway, Randy the rooster, he seemed to understand the farmer. So the farmer points toward the hen house, and Randy takes off like a shot. Wham! Randy nails every single hen in the hen house two, 3, 4 times in a row. And the farmer's really shocked. After that, the farmer hears a commotion in the duck pen. Sure enough, Randy's in there doing all the ducks. Later, the farmer sees Randy after a flock of geese down by the lake. Once again, bam! He gets all the geese. By sunset, he sees Randy out in the fields chasing quail and pheasants. The farmer's distraught. He's worried that his rooster won't even last a day. And sure enough, farmer goes to bed, wakes up the next day to find Randy dead as a doorknob, stone cold in the middle of the yard, buzzards circling overhead. Farmer is sad. He's spent £1,000 and beautiful bird, Randy. And he shakes his head and says, "Oh, Randy, I told you to pace yourself. I tried to get you to slow down. Now look what you've done to yourself." And Randy opens one eye, nods towards the buzzards circling in the sky and says, "Shh, they're getting closer."